Everyone, really quickly, is I need to know something. I'm going to show you this here. So for the Bible, you have it where you need to be creating, what's it called? The comic strip for the Book of Acts and, well, for the chapters that you've been assigned. So with that being said, here's the deal. I am going to have some papers for you to be able to pick up this, I guess, be Thursday probably, for the pickup time. And so with that being the case, I have some different templates here that I can do. Now, these were the ones that I was thinking of doing just as far as your standard, whether it's 4-box template or 9-box template. However, I could print off some of these other ones too. So I have 2 things I need from you before tomorrow morning's class check-in. I need you to see what format you would like. I'm thinking you want to keep it simpler. You can always add in extra stuff. I'd prefer that you do something that is, again, a little bit simpler, but you just add on to it and, um, make it more fancy or whatever. But still, you can have it where you tell me what kind of template you would prefer most, and then have it where tell me how big a paper you want. You have 3 sizes. I'm hoping we have 3 sizes. I'll find out when I go to the school tomorrow. Right now, what usually is available would be just the standard printing paper, and that's 8.5 by 11. They would also have 8.5 by 14. So all it would be is it'd be the same width. It would just be a little bit longer. The other option would be 11 by 17. So that's poster size paper. And I could always try printing these out on poster size printer. If the printing out doesn't work out great, then I could easily have it where I just include some blank pieces of paper that are larger, like the 11 by 17. And you can then have it where you use that for your comic book or your comic strip. So 2 things I need to know from you is, 1, what template do you want? Like I said, I would suggest something that's a little more on the simpler side. It's easier to have it where you divide up panels or add little things compared to having all this extra stuff on the paper and then you don't use it all. So what template would you prefer? And what size? Are you thinking 8.5 by 11, just the normal size? Are you thinking 8.5 by 14, just a little bit longer? Or are you thinking 11 by 17, where it's going to be more of a poster size? So let me know, and then that way I will see what I can do tomorrow when I go to the school. I'll go to the school in the afternoon after we've had a chance to do our class check-in. All right, thanks for listening to this and figuring out your 2 options and having that ready for me for tomorrow. Thanks.